I'm Kim, the Abundant Traveler, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 24 and 25 inch hard-sided suitcases. All of these are available on Amazon, and it is my personal review of how sturdy, how stable, how well made, and how easy they are to use. So let's go ahead and get started. If you're new to the channel, I share travel tips and inspiration, as well as extensive travel guides for incredible locations all over the world. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This is a 7272 Energy Hardside model from Swissgear. It is about $170 with some discounts. It is a 24-inch suitcase with an expandable zipper, which increases the size by 1.5 inches or about 15%. It also has a 10-year limited warranty, which is really nice to have. It has a really nice, but this is relatively short compared to the other suitcases I'm trying. The expansion where you can roll it around. One nice thing though is that it actually has 8 rollers, so it is more stable. On the inside of this suitcase, you can see here, you do have one pocket here, and it has a place to put your shoes on the bottom and one zipper. Zippers are really pretty and gold, and then it's got the straps here. These are not elastic straps, so it will tie your clothes down quite tightly without giving you any extra room. The Delsey Paris Helium Aero Hardside is a 25-inch suitcase, and it comes in multiple colors, and you can actually buy it in sets as well. It's about $185 with discounts. It also has a zipper that expands the suitcase by up to 2 inches. This Delsey here is very sleek and comes in multiple colors. It is a beautiful shiny material as well. It is one of the taller handles, and I'm 5'11", so that's important to me. It is very sturdy. It feels, comparing it to all the ones that I'm working with today, feels a little bit heavier, maybe just a couple of ounces, something to note. Again, this has 8 wheels, which makes things more stable. On the inside of this Delsey, it is similar to the Swissgear. You do have the expandable zipper, the second set of zippers. Also here, you have the tie down. Again, this is not elastic. And on this side, you have a zipper. You do not have the shoe pockets over here, but you do have one big pocket on this side where you can stuff a lot of goodies. So what should you be looking for in a suitcase? You want to make sure it's extremely durable. For me, I do like having the extension zipper. You want to calculate or look up the liter's capacity, which is important because you can get a few extra items for those couple extra liters. I also think that polycarbonate is extremely important because that's more durable. I always check the zippers, and especially when I run the zippers along the corners here. I've had several suitcases that the zippers break right in this corner. So if it's challenging to get it zipped up and down, when you first buy the suitcase, expect it to break in time. I also always go and I walk around with the suitcase with the extension here, and I try and knock it over. The thing with knocking it over is you want to make sure that it is stable and it is sturdy. So those are a few tips on the things that I look for when I am looking for a suitcase. The Travelpro MaxLite Air is also 25 inches, and it has a zipper that expands 2 inches. Plenty of room for all of your stuff. This Travelpro is extremely lightweight at 8.5 pounds, and it has a 2-inch expandable zipper to pack all of the things you're taking with you on your trip. It is made with 100% polycarbonate, which is perfect for the rough and tough wear of suitcases on airplanes. So this particular Travelpro, I've always been a Travelpro fan. This one, it has the softest handle here. It's really, really nice. Also, this is quite snug, really, really nice construction, all polycarbonate. And it has your TSA locks here. This is a beautiful color. You can see it's got this nice sort of silver gray. And it does have wider wheels. Something to note, these wheels are even wider than the first 2 suitcases, which means it is going to be even more stable. So on the inside of this suitcase, this is probably the best for me. You can see it's got zippers on both sides. So the fact that you have zippers on both sides means that you can open up one side and not the other, and when it doesn't matter which direction you open your suitcase, nothing's going to fall out. So that is very, very valuable. And they do have a couple of extra pockets here as well. So I like this one a lot, but I will tell you which one is my favorite at the end of the video. The Coolife 24-inch comes in 5 colors. You can also get carry-on size or a large size. It is a blend of polycarbonate and other materials, and it has a 2-year warranty. So this is the Coolife. There's lots and lots of Coolife suitcases on Amazon, and they're very price friendly. They're under $100. It does have the double roller, which is fantastic. However, the weight distribution of this particular suitcase is not as stable as a couple other ones. Additionally, this has a great handle that's super, super comfortable, but it does not have the extension zipper to make the suitcase bigger. On the inside of this Coolife, it is very similar to the other pieces of luggage that we're looking at today. It has the zippers and the pockets on one side, and it has the straps on the other. One nice thing about this particular piece of luggage is it has the extra zipper for toiletries or your supplements or anything like that. So really, really nice and a great value if you are on an extreme budget. This is a Delsey 24-inch Saint-Tropez hard-sided suitcase. It has a security zipper that is 3 times more resistant than a standard zipper. It has a 3-dial TSA approved combination lock, and the Saint-Tropez models are backed by a 10-year limited warranty. This suitcase comes in several different colors and is a little bit more expensive at around $250. So this is a Delsey Saint-Tropez. It is quite masculine. It's got really nice detail with the dark color on the outside and the brown zippers. Again, it expands as well, which is wonderful. Has a very nice handle, easy to get a grip on here and here as well. So this one, again, has a nice long handle for those people who are tall. And it is a little bit on the heavier side as well, like the other Delsey was. One thing that I like about this Delsey in particular, it is a quite masculine suitcase, so maybe you can buy it if you're a gentleman or buy it as a gift if you are a woman. They have on the inside the pocket as well here with the shoe holder here and the extra zipper here. What's interesting in this one is the connection to these straps is actually inside the suitcase rather than up here, which I found interesting. It's the only suitcase that does that. And I would say that the zipper, the physical zipper, is probably the sturdiest of any of the suitcases that I tried. And honestly, the first thing to go is a zipper, so it's something to pay attention to. If you're interested in knowing what I pack on every single trip that I take, make sure to go to the description below and download my free guide to my top 20 things that go on every single trip. Good stuff, interesting stuff, and little necessities. So just go to the description below and download the free guide. The Kenneth Cole Reaction 24-inch out-of-bounds suitcase comes in multiple colors, and you can buy it in a set as well. It has 4 wheels on it instead of 8, and with the handle extended, it extends to 41 inches in height. It has double-sided packing with straps on one side and a zipper with some pockets on the other. This is I have bought lots of Kenneth Cole over the years in TJ Maxx, but this one is under $100 on Amazon. This one also, similar to the Coolife, does not have the expansion zipper. It's really nice. It just has a single wheel here, which may mean it's not quite as stable. The balance on this suitcase is nice though, so that really doesn't matter. Again, you have one pocket, but there's no zipper on this side, none. There is a zippered pocket here, which is really nice. And then you have, of course, you have the straps. I think it's super interesting that most of the suitcases these days just have a strap on one side, whereas back in the day, they had zippers on both sides. Personally, I like having a zipper on each side. My stuff is more controlled that way. The Samsonite Omni PC is 24 inches as well. You can buy it as a set or individual. It comes in multiple colors and it weighs 8.34 pounds. It has a 10-year limited warranty and made with micro diamond polycarbonate, so it is scratch resistant and very durable. This suitcase is in the mid-range for price at $155, and it has the TSA approved locks on it to keep your belongings safe. You know, it's very, very balanced. It is similar to the Delseys in the fact that it feels a little bit heavier, but the part that pulls up here is also really, really tall, which I like a lot. Now we'll open it up and take a look inside. Both of the Samsonites are a little bit different with their strap. This strap is elastic, which I think would be a little bit better for holding your things if you're an overpacker like me. And then, but what's interesting on this side is just mesh, so you can see what's inside, and breathable, but there are no pockets. So there is a pocket here that you can put small items, but there's no pocket here or shoe pocket to add extra things. But again, this Omni from Samsonite is quite a nice piece of luggage. This is the Winfield 3 DLX, and it is actually a 25-inch spinner. It weighs 8.9 pounds, so it's a little bit on the heavier side. It has a 10-year limited warranty and 4 multi-directional oversized spinner wheels. This particular suitcase has a sleek design and when on sale is about $150. It also has the approved TSA locks to keep your belongings safe. I like this strap a little bit better than the other Samsonite I just showed you. It just feels a little sturdier. These wheels are probably the biggest wheels of any suitcase that I have looked at today, and they feel extremely sturdy and really, really nice. Now let's take a look inside. We have, again, with this Samsonite, we have the elastic here, and this one is quite interesting. The only one I saw like this. Not only do you have the pockets here, but it is not a full zipper. So it has elastic here, and you have these little hooks. So having these little hooks, and you also have this elastic on the other side as well, your stuff could fall out. So I'm not sure if I love this one either. It is a little bit bigger. It's a 25-inch, and it is just a little bit heavier than the other ones. But it is a wonderful suitcase if you're a Samsonite fan and you do like this particular style, because it's the only one that was like this. So in summary, it depends on if you're looking for value or willing to spend a little extra money. Also the warranties. So the warranties are different, anywhere from 2 years limited to up to 10 years limited. So the Samsonite and the Delseys and the Travelpro are 10 years. My hands down favorite is this Travelpro, the MaxLite. I found this to be beautiful and sleek on the outside. I found it to be extremely sturdy, very, very stable. And as I mentioned multiple times, I like the fact that this particular handle goes up very, very high to match my 5'11". And to me, on the inside, the most important thing, and it's actually hard to find these days, is the double zipper. I'm a double zipper girl. So this side is flat, and it has the mesh down here so you can see through, but it has the 2 zipper pockets here as well. So to me, the Travelpro is my favorite. In fact, I liked it so much I bought it in the smaller carry-on size. So that is my review of the Amazon hard-sided checkable 24 and 25-inch suitcases. I am Kim, the Abundant Traveler, and I'll see you in some airport, some boat, some plane, somewhere very, very soon with my brand new luggage. Is to have the double zipper. Let me go back to that, because I already know I really wanted to trick. Hold please. Nope. Zipper. Hold please. There it is.